Hi guys! Shout out to Shein Philippines. Share ko lang guys, meron kasi kung nakitang modus na ginagawa ngayon sa online platform. So, eto siya. Actually, napindot ko lang siya bigla na di sinasadya. At the same time kasi naghahanap ako ng part-time. So, eto nga, merong biglang nag-message sa akin, "Hello, are you interested in earning extra income?" Oh, question mark ako kasi nagtataka ako, bigla na lang lumabas siya. "What extra income you offer? Can you give me a details?" Nice to meet you, ma'am. Are you applying for work from home? Yes, can you give a details? O, ayan na. Okay na po now. I would like to share the details of our company. Shein is the largest supermarket. Ayan na nga, di ba? Basahin nyo na lang, guys. Shein daw siya. This work also provides salary. The minimum salary will be 18,000 to 30,000 plus. Oh, di ba? Are you still interested in working with our company? What's the description? Sabi ko. These are the company requirements, sabi niya. Ayan. Bank account for verified GCash. If you meet all these requirements, we can go to the next step. Okay, how to start? Okay po, your main job is just using a mobile phone. Yan, commission taas, diba? 30 to 70% of commission and free in your work account. You can do this many times a day so you can earn daily 1,200. Sure, okay now, please register. Ayan, nag-register na po ako. Enter your username, enter your password, invitation code. After completing the registration, just provide the with screenshot. Ayan. So, ini-screenshot ko na. Siyempre, medyo, nag-iingat. Hindi ko binigay ang aking number. Iba yung number ang nilagay ko. Oh, congratulations daw. Yes! Before the start earn money, you need to recharge 100 pesos. Your work account for activated task. O, di ba may task na siya? So, kailangan, ayan yung mga niya, proof. May mga proof pa na may nag-ano sa kanya. Ayan na yung mga yan. Oh. How direct sign into my account? Okay, please follow the guide on the picture and complete. I'm asking for direct sign in for my account, sabi ko. Okay po, why does the receiver is that Shein instead name? The GCash name of our company po. Oh, yan nga, GCash daw ng company. Sino si company? Si Isani Jr. Oh, shout out sa'yo, Isani Jr. Goles Radre Juan. Yun ang number. That's why asking you, who is Isani Jr. Goles? Our company po. Company? Akala ko sinong company, di ba? Yes po. Is this legit? Our company is legally 100%. Isani Jr. Do you want work here po? Oh, confusing, sabi ko. Why now you exchange? Can you please explain? Don't ask me too much. I wonder because it's not consistent. Inano ko lang siya. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, i-share ko kasi baka interested yung mga friends ko. If you ask me too much, kasi kino-confirm ko talaga kung ano siya legit. So, ayan guys. Shoutout sa'yo, Shein Philippines. Ginagawan ka na po ng platform na kailangan magbayad. At ang pangalan po niyan, ayan nga po, nakalagay na. Kung sino yung mga nandyan, ayan po, yung isa pang name, Rolin Palnel Lura. Yung isa, alam nyo na, naka-highlight na yung isa. Ito yung isang name, oh. Ayan. Ginagamit po nila ang Shein para mag-earn po through GCash or sa bank account. May ano po kasi ko yun lang. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Sana maging aware tayo sa mga platform na pinapasukan natin. God bless!